In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block any website in Google Chrome on Windows 10. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store and find the Block Site extension. This extension is used to block access to specific websites. When you are on the Block Site page in the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation prompt asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to continue. After a moment, the extension will install in your browser. If needed, give Chrome a second to finish the setup. Once the extension is added, it will be ready to use right away. Next, navigate to the website you want to block. You can do this by typing the website address into the address bar, or by opening it from your bookmarks or history. When the website is open, move your cursor to a blank space on the page. Right-click anywhere on that blank area to open the context menu. In that menu, select Block this domain. If the page has a lot of buttons, images, or interactive sections, try to find an empty area before right-clicking. That can make the menu easier to use and help you avoid clicking on the wrong page element. Also, be sure you are selecting the domain blocking option from the menu and not a different browser command. That covers everything you need to know.